Pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey, hey, pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey.
That quiz, and I was thinking, well, she's insane. What if I just go more insane? What if I go crazier? What if I go crazy mode?
Am I just going sicko mode? Alright.
Yeah. I have to find motivation through a girl. I love it. I love actually being the problem and the solution. It's amazing. People are like, man, you seem like you don't care. I don't. I really don't. I don't give a shit. If Sarah or something were to happen, you know, like last time when I left for the Easter egg that one time, I'm not turning it down. I'm, you know.
Yeah. I see you, Doug. I do
So, I am. It's going crazy right now, and I'm loving it. I'm here for it. And it's only gonna get better from here, Jay.
Oh? I hear you. I hear you calling it. You're calling it.
I'm calling my shots, and I'm gonna hit. And I hope everybody is with me. I hope that everybody in the group gets to vicariously live through this as well. Fabian, I hope he gets somebody. Noah, I hope he gets more in tune with his emotions. Ken, I don't know. I think he's chilling.
I hope that one girl. Yeah, that one girl. He's talking about one half of this.
Yeah.
I hope that works out for him.
I hope that works out for him. I think Ken, of all people, is gonna get a really nice committed relationship.
Yeah.
I mean,
it was like when he asked yesterday. It was like
I was really confused. I was like, wait, are you texting?
Like, at first I thought it was a joke. Why he's doing it?
Yeah, you
It's like I was driving, I looked down, and I was like,
oh, my hand's sweating.
Oh, guys, it's just like really weird, and it was like really like I'd say like junior high stuff. Yeah, literally just me when I went to the store. I went to go get baby milk, and I got some candy.
You could buy me some, Jay?
No, because you don't like stuff from Walmart. I went to Walmart, Noah. You wouldn't want me to go there, huh?
I just asked, why would you go to Walmart when there's like...
Yeah, no, you come down here and build me an HEB, and then I'll go there.
Are you asking him to colonize Artesia?
Easton.
What?
We're supposed to piece him up. We're supposed to piece him up.
Oh, my bad. Gang members out here.
Guess what time it is, boys? It's time to go get a whole bunch of
10:37. Oh.
watts.
Okay.
Oh.
I thought you meant literally. I was like, well, if I had to guess, probably
Open the
10
door.
I mean, not wrong though.
Yeah.
Oh, hi,
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I guess there's that too, but I knew what you meant.
We should do a Nuzlocke challenge one day.
That'd be fun.
I'm up for that.
I'm down.
Oh,
I'm gonna probably
God.
do it when I get a. I'm probably gonna do it when I get like shield.
Why?
Because I'm not a very good trainer, as you figured that out, Jay.
To get what?
Huh?
Dude,
I
you
am
don't
not
have to be a good trainer or not. It's like all based on luck at that point.
No, what are you
I mean,
talking
there is
about, bro?
strategy.
Is no okay?
I don't know.
This dude
What?
sounds like on a different
Literally, what
reality.
you said had nothing to do with what we were talking about. Literally
trainer.
nothing at all.
I'm like, wait, Pokemon or zombies?
Hey, Easton, open this door.
Yeah, we're just gonna glance over what you said. Alright, then I guess.
I'm
He
confused.
was just speaking, bro. He didn't say anything of
My
notice. He just
my man's was talking.
He just saying words.
My
Don't worry about
man's
it.
was
Don't worry
talking.
about it.
We're like, yeah, we should do a Nuzlocke. No, I'm not gonna sit here and figure. I'm not gonna sit there while you're trying to figure that out, Jay. And because I suck at training. Yeah.
No,
That's what he
Noah said
said.
he wasn't a good trainer.
No, he said before that he was like, I'm not gonna sit there while you figure it out. I'm not good at
I
training.
didn't even say that. I didn't say
You're a liar. You're a liar. I heard you. I heard you word for word.
I didn't say any of those words at all. We made it down. Come on, this is the fastest we made it down here.
Yeah, really. I think we're getting in the hang of this. Are we doing the Easter egg right now? Like, is this?
Yes.
Since we had like one or two failures on the origins.
We had more than one or two failures.
Well, guys, the zombie's broken over here.
We could do a Cold War style.
No, look. Come here. It's just running to the wall. Look, Noah, come here. Look, he's just here. He's chilling.
So that
Look,
Let's go.
Look.
My man's vibing.
Hold on. That's a zombie we saving right there. His baby mama at home. He's trying to get back to him.
Yeah, Mighty's trying to care for his children.
I'm really glad that this
No!
He just died.
Aw.
Watermelon
It was
drink.
pulling a Noah.
Cheez-Its. Let's go.
Jay, go get the pack part, please.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
All we did was get here, pack, and then die. Braylon,
I might have just snorted the hot and spicy powder on my Cheez-Its.
let's go.
Dude,
Are you
snort.
doing crack?
So the way to get a whole bunch of money, well, my plan is
Steal.
just get a whole bunch of watts. Yeah, that's
Oh.
it.
You meant in the game.
Steal. Nah, he meant light bulbs.
I meant real life. Thomas Edison type.
Hey.
Sounds pretty
Yeah,
good. Iron
Guys,
Sight.
I found a broken dog.
No way.
Look, come here. It's inside the rock.
Oh,
It's
nah.
No, look, come. It's
Fido.
outside the map. It's broke.
Oh,
Boy,
uh-oh.
whoa.
Oh, I heard it.
Okay, it
Well,
broke.
no longer.
No, let's see.
Guys, I did it.
Cannot see your future because it is clouds.
I'm gonna go look at 2 of the spots, Noah.
No, wait, just wait, just wait.
Why am I down?
Oh my god, he did it. Oh my god.
Look, it's the meme.
No
It's that one meme where they're
way.
carrying the thing.
I told you I was gonna do
No
it, and I did it.
way.
He
I
got
want
it.
you to know
He got
Wait, is it the song too?
No, is it?
Oh. No.
Can we kill him? Can we kill all these zombies?
No, I've already tried.
No. Okay.
Unless, let me see.
Let's
No,
go.
you can't.
5.
I confirm you
go.
cannot kill them.
I'm so excited.
Bro.
This is amazing. Bro.
And y'all didn't want me to do this.
I wonder how
I didn't
last
say
this
that. I
long
said
this
I
lasts.
wanted you
No,
to.
I
I just thought it was
I,
gonna be hard.
yeah. We said you could do it if you did it on your own.
And I did.
This is
I
amazing.
remember when
I
I
love this.
I told Jay that I'm like, hey, is it fun you can do it? And I told him like, I'm almost done. Jay's like, I'll give it to you. You're determined.
This is amazing.
It
This is the
is.
best thing I've seen all day.
Oh, they're
Look at that,
walking.
they're
I didn't even know they were
vibing.
moving.
Let's go.
Nah, he be having dicks.
For hands.
know. Tell me when y'all see Megatron.
Okay.
He's usually where Optimus Prime's at.
Optimus Prime.
Boy, if you don't get.
That was a Transformers joke.
Oh, shut up,
I
Noah.
had 20 dogs on me that joke, Jay.
That Joe, yeah. No, isn't that the part right on top of this plane up here? I don't think it's up here. So that means the last one's down there.
What the?
You didn't get me. Oh. Okay, hey, Jay, you wanna deal with this? This is your guy.
Hey, buddy.
That
Did nothing. No, okay, that one did more damage. I hit him in the head. Come here, Megatron.
Why do they run? Bro, why do the zombies completely ignore me and run straight for Noah?
I love that. It's a team effort, boys. It's a team effort. Everybody gotta hate Noah.
All my homies hate Noah, I guess.
All the zombies hate Noah. Okay, so I cut him in half.
Okay. It's a weird thing to say about your mom, but okay.
I mean, shoot. She didn't give
Not
me the
you.
dino chicken.
Not
Megatron.
Robo bitch.
Mega faggot.
Black
Yo, did you get there's anything scope?
Nice.
He said,
What?
help, bitch.
What? What?
Help,
What?
bitch.
What?
Help.
Help me, nigga.
Oh, help!
Yes.
Right. Oh. Hello.
Bro, what do you think he was saying? Where'd he go?
I don't know. It's something I'm not gonna deal with right now. What am I supposed to do with the computer, or just get the intel? Yeah, I got the intel.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got that.
That's what that's
You're
what
welcome. I already know where that is. I've gotten that a couple times.
So I gotta go to
Okay.
fucking.
I think the Megatron died somewhere. But I don't know where he died, so I can't get the key. So stupid.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh! I did a thing. I gave a ghost some intel, and he's speaking to me now. That's probably
Yes, that's
definitely
part of it. That's part of it.
Oh, easy. I didn't even know that was a thing. I just kind of stood in the corner.
So
and
you
did-
guys didn't kill Megatron.
No. I pinged it and I ran away, and I felt that.
Hey, yo, East, dude.
Yeah.
Why the fuck are you here? Why the fuck? Jay, you have to one weapon. Please take this motherfucker out. Please take this.
Oh my god, look how much damage it does.
I should come down there because I have PAP weapon.
Oh yeah,
No.
but I already ran. Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
He's gone?
Like, yeah, it only took 3 shots. It really
Oh.
wasn't that difficult.
Okay.
Those.
RCB like adopted noises.
Let's go.
To the black market.
Let's go.
Almost some to the white market. Yo.
So you remember when you found that diary?
Yep.
Could you go back there and into the password?
Yep. OMW.
Unless I find it, then I'll let you know.
Alright.
No. No, Archie, lay down. Lay
No,
down.
no, Archie,
I'm
don't
in
listen to
control
it.
room. Going down into Speed Cola area. Cycling back around because I slid off.
Archie?
See, after this. So after
Password
this,
received.
Alright, you got it.
Oh, the black guy.
I feel like I heard something. Yeah, I feel like I heard something.
I don't have the. Oh my god! No, take him from me. Take him from me. Take him from me. Take it from me. Take it from me, please.
Yeah, I can hear that directly above me. That's a little worrying.
Archie, can you chill? I stopped hitting you for a
They're
second.
like,
you
y'all
start-
can exfil if you want. We're like, nah, bro.
Nah, we do the
busy.
East.
We're a little
You
busy
already
right now.
found ghosts. What do you mean?
Sorry, Raptor. We're a little busy, dog.
Yeah, we doing things.
How rap? How busy?
Like a 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I love
That's
the way
how-
words are like worded. When I got back, I didn't do anything because I just went to the store. That's what I was doing the whole time. But when I told you whatever
Yeah.
mission it was, yeah.
Yeah, I beat it.
Moral ambiguity that comes with playing a Call of Duty game, the exaggerated swagger of a black teen.
Black team. They knows a lot about that.
Yes.
Minus the black.
I do it all
yes.
the time.
I just need your friend. I just need your friend to die.
Do a tunnel.
Sexy virgin?
It's true.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
No, it
No, he's already like that. He's already, bro. He already is.
I know Fabian's a virgin.
You know, he's a virgin.
Are you saying Fabian's? No, I'm saying Fabian.
No,
No, he's not a virgin.
Fabian's on the
That's what you're talking about. Y'all just keep making fun of me. No,
Dude probably watches Harry Potter.
man.
I
That
almost
ain't
bought a
too much, so I
5K. Come on,
am
bro.
going to
Nah, is he
I'd rather
defending him?
watch
Dude
Attack
also
on
watches
Titan.
things.
Bro, I have no clue what's going on.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
I like him. After he's like, there's a rat, I don't know what to do. And then he puts his cat on top of his game.
It's just
Crack
TikTok, yeah, it's stupid.
Slurp.
I bet. I'm a
No. Oh yeah,
Shut
put the no. Put the. What's the one that you just like shake the camera at really slowly?
And then you said like shiny charm magic.
Yeah.
Goddamn, no way you gonna be so big, always over here, man, in my son, and the blood, so.
Noah, please, get the step. Noah, come on, it's about to turn back.
Now that's
I
what
Jacob.
I'm not even close to the bottom, Jay.
Why are you not at the bottom? Why are you not getting the
Jacob.
parts?
I'm going. I'm at the
I bet
bottom. I'm at the bottom.
Please get
At
it.
the park.
We have a
Give me
deficit on our
PTSD.
team already. Oh, it's low. It's around 10.
How?
Okay, I joined in here a little late.
Please.
I don't even
Also,
know
we got all
what's
the parts now.
Nice.
Are you doing it?
My bad, you right. Almost got it yesterday. This time, this run is the run. Even though Ethan joined in kind of late.
We can salvage it. We damn near
No,
salvaged it.
no.
We almost died.
No, 100%.
First
We can salvage it. We can
No.
salvage this, right? Because now we're gonna have 2 wonder weapons.
Bro, I
Yo,
feel
what
like
the
an idiot.
fuck? JoJo
Hey,
fan meet
Caffeine
up.
just said hello.
Hey, Fabian, go look at what I sent you. That's
Yeah, I
me
feel like
right
an
now.
idiot.
Why?
I tried to get Jug when I had Jug
me
already
right now.
from the.
Ethan, you can't have it. I'm already doing it.
What?
We're being horny.
I don't know how it feels.
I mean breakfast.
Oh,
Ethan.
I'm gonna buy chicken
Like,
minis
I've
and eat
seen
them all in
that
front of you.
No, leave. I got
Bro,
this.
it's. I do this to Jay all the time. It's fine.
No, it's not.
No.
No, you're annoying. That's so annoying. I hate
And
it.
he says it immediately. He's like, no.
It's annoying. I hate
That's
it.
what you get.
I don't know how many times I haven't done that the first
That's
round
so
because
karma.
of Noah.
Oh my god, karma.
It really was. I'm fine with it. I'm fine.
Do I need more? No. Do you need more? Do you need more zombie skin?
Yo, can
Did it piss you?
said hate
No.
you.
I said I hate you.
Oh! I need
can't
one. I need
stop
one. I
watching
need one.
this, dickhead.
Oh yeah, I'll break him.
Yo, someone go get him.
You want to know
Oh,
what
Ken,
two
we can do the
videos I
steps
have on
fast now.
repeat, Jacob?
What do you know? What steps do you know, Ken?
None of them.
I know the diary.
These two are the ones I have on repeat all the
Dino's the
time.
same as me. Oh no, my jug is gonna run out. Ah, I'm right here, salami lead. The lead of salam. The salam lead. I killed the zombie.
You cry, but tonight.
Did you lose your jug? Come for me for a second.
He said, "Oh, okay."
You said you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you gonna use my POV?
Ethan, are you streaming?
No.
Okay.
The shot. Okay.
Oh, my bad.
I need a big impact font among us right here. You'll know when you see it, Noah.
Hey, y'all got it?
What do you mean? I'm the one else.
Are you going to edit it? Is this not for you?
Oh, yeah.
Am I not doing the POV for you?
Oh,
Oh.
go to the bottom, go to the bottom, go to the bottom, go to the bottom, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
what?
need to send you this, Jacob.
He's going to the
Go
bottom.
to the bottom. Yeah, blah, 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 blah.
You know
How
what I
did
mean?
Ken die?
I'm not
That's not
dead.
Ken.
Are you kidding
That's
me?
not kid,
Oh,
I was about to
no,
say.
it died.
I don't have jugs.
That's insulting. You know what?
Ooh.
Ken, you die as much as Noah in this game.
swag?
No,
I love that video.
Top yelling swag at my mom.
I'm throwing us in the normal.
Swag, secretly we are gay.
How do I have more
Yeah,
exaggerated
I'm
black
just gonna
swag
start
of the
yelling it.
team?
Huh.
Ken, go to the top.
Every time I meet someone's
Go to
mom,
the-
I'm just gonna yell swag.
Go to the top of what's it called? Go to the top of Horizon, Ken, right? And
in
go to the
Guys, yes, not.
no, Horizon,
No.
knock. I mean, go to the top of
Okay.
knock, right?
Go to the top of their eyes.
I was
Go to
closer
the
with
top of-
Farouk.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Huh?
Oh,
This
I
is
know. You see, somehow.
What? Noah, I can't hear you, Doug.
And be so wonderful.
I have to wait till next round. I gotta go to next.
Whatever girl you're tagging
Okay.
Jacob in, send.
Yeah,
Any
bro,
girl that
come
I find
on.
attractive, or that
Come
dude
on.
that I find
It's that-
attractive.
Come
It's
on.
that one Laffy Taffy girl, you know?
What's happening?
I don't know.
I'm saying Jacob has terrible taste in women, but also
He does.
See, I didn't know I came here to be disrespected.
Yeah.
Easton, it's the one Laffy Taffy video.
oh, of course it is.
Laffy Taffy video?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
It's that girl. I know exactly who that is.
It's me. It's
No.
just me in a maid costume.
I'm listening.
I was gonna point.
Yeah, any girl that Jacob finds
Stop fucking
like
calling.
attractive, I'll probably agree. I mean, I'm pretty broad.
The only person here that has
Oh,
cerebral
she has a
tapeworm is
big
Fabian.
forehead, you can tell.
That has.
I can
Oh
tell
yeah,
she has
actually
a
no,
big
I
forehead.
can say that with certainty. Fabian
No,
has a
listen,
questionable
listen.
taste in girls.
Chanting,
Hashtag.
I don't like e-thoughts. I really do not like e-thoughts.
One more part.
Unless you got the Mexican girls, send them my way.
I got
Okay,
some
I got
Mexican.
you.
Wait, I got Mexican e-girls. Do you like those?
Let me see some.
Okay. No, I do.
Heck,
Can
Ken,
you
I-
please put in the
Why are
Aether?
your titties and ass so dummy thick?
what?
I'm
It
coming
wasn't
down.
Ken.
I'm
It
coming
really
down.
wasn't Ken. I'm sorry,
I
Jay.
am not.
There's
Oh,
a
it
lot
was
of-
you. Of course it's you, Noah. Of course it's Noah. Of course it's Noah. Every time. You're the worst, Noah.
No, to be honest, you said Ken. I want to hear it. So I wasn't just paying attention.
Yeah, because I keep on getting you guys confused. I'm not
Facial
confused.
awareness.
Why are you calling me out? I'm in not.
Because you guys are both Park.
That's true.
So where are you going?
Lincoln Park.
Yeah, but I can't see my face, Noah. I'm not.
I want to kill myself.
No clue.
What?
What happened?
Nothing.
Did you
You?
get it, Jay?
You have
I got the five.
Weird.
I have all of them but grass. But grass.
Yes.
Baby's not
Yeah. I wonder why I don't have grass.
I'm still behind you. I'm still
Yeah,
behind
don't
you.
shoot with that gun. Alright,
Oh,
follow me.
the one where you look like a hentai protagonist.
Whoa! I almost just took fall. I
Follow
almost
me,
died from
follow
fall
me down here,
damage.
down here.
Oh my god,
Behind
Not
you.
again.
bro!
Alright, come down here, Ken.
Who just zippered? Oh. This is like a zipper.
Being Joey. Why are there 3 megatons?
Yeah.
Oh, it's easy money.
Fabian, if you're
It's literally easy money.
Okay, I'm good.
You guys want me to do this?
I'm muting Jacob.
I like the image, Jay.
Because at first I didn't know what it was, and then I was like, oh, my dude's listening to Frank Ocean.
I was.
Where it is.
All of y'all are Parker except for me.
No, I'm Rosa. There's a difference.
So if we do the Easter egg, Ethan, you get an exile, so.
You're Rosa? I just got that.
Get us to the portal if y'all just get the zombie off.
Good shit.
I hate her voice.
I
like you.
Are you gonna take the zombie off Noah?
Boyfriend.
Easton, get the fucking zombie off me.
If she has her wig on, maybe.
Bro, I just need somebody to do it, please. Literally anybody.
Oh, Aether.
To change it to the Aether, yeah.
I'm going.
You didn't get a speeding ticket? Wait, Jeffy?
No, not Jeffy, please.
Did you get a speeding ticket?
Hey, Jay, can you pause real quick?
Why? You right now, I'll send you over.
Hey, Jay, I'm right on. Let me see.
Guys, I bet I can.
Hey, Easton.
Yes.
With what?
Did you get a money?
Perhaps.
I mean, Fabian is an e-boy, so.
Yeah.
You know what? So
speak with your chest, dog. Speak with your chest.
Speak with your balls. Throw them out the action out.
I'll invite you, dog.
Oh.
I thought you sucker punched your shit.
No,
You did.
I swear, Noah just doesn't talk.
So we need to save a zombie. We need to save a zombie.
Noah just doesn't come.
Huh?
Can you invite?
Bruh!
I'm inviting Noah.
Bro, I can never get in a groove because y'all just pause it.
Let's go.
I hate it here. Shut up, Noah. You shouldn't have left the game.
He didn't voluntarily leave. Just kind of kicked him out.
Nah,
My heart just said,
oh,
you're doing good, and zombies not.
I literally, when you said that, I thought you meant like you sucker punched your PS4. I was like, bro, it's not that serious. No, I'm just saying, because
I want to be surprised.
That's what I want to listen to it.
Is that loud though?
Was that Mexican Jotaro?
Mexican
No,
Dio.
no, that's
Mexican
just what it sounds like.
Hello, Italian man.
Hey, I know you did not just call me a little.
Oh wow, that's a few. Nice.
No, Ethan, I was
Sorry.
doing something.
The salami lid is unable to fit on the salami lid.
My game crashed.
Oh my god.
I'll
fight
I'm
you
not
again.
protecting you anymore. I'm literally not protecting you anymore. Get out of here. Go. Leave. Flaunter fly.
Wait, did he die?
Yeah,
His game crashed again. He's not.
Bro.
No, I'm not restarting. No, I'm sorry. We're we're too good right now. This is the only time we've ever had double wonder guns or triple wonder guns even. We have 3 wonder weapons just out in the game. Yeah, ray gun and
yeah, I forgot about that. Forgot Ken has that. He doesn't know how to use the shotgun correctly. He says it's bad.
The shotgun's good.
Bro, the shotgun's the best gun in the game.
No, the shotgun is the best. Like besides like the wonder guns. Yeah, besides the wonder guns, it's like they're the best guns, and Noah just doesn't like them. He's retarded. Bro, I don't know why you want the ray gun. It's still one shot, dog. It's still one shot. It's good.
I just like the Gallo. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me.
No, shut up.
The guy with no pico.
Your opinion is wrong.
Sasha posted on his story one of the best games I've seen in a while, and he's watching the highlights of the football game.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
His last name Dumber. I was like, hey, your last name is Dumber. And
then Ken got expelled.
Why is Ken getting progressively further and further from its mic?
I was gonna say.
Oh, I gotta make it spin.
Saying you're dead?
No, that's regular.
What? No, why are you asking if I'm dead?
On our screen, it's a glitch because Noah's gone.
Oh, I was like, dog,
Yeah.
I am
like,
not dead. I'm moving.
Like,
oh no. No grandma mode out here.
Okay.
Noah grandma.
Grandma.
Oh my.
I'm only missing
on a
desktop,
stick,
boys.
on a stick. Oh!
Oh. Noah, you lied to us. We don't need to get the megatons right now. What do we need to do? Let me get my second. Let me. Yeah.
Hey.
Noah.
What?
You lied to us. We skipped a step because they're underneath here. I'm about to unpause, guys. Get ready.
Oh, shit. Okay.
I told you I was about to unpause.
Oops. PS4. It's slow as fuck when you play Call of Duty.
That's crazy.
Shut the fuck up, kid.
I'm sorry, I'm not listening to this conversation. Like I'm actually spacing out. I'm reading at this game paused by party leader menu. Yes. The live action one or the cartoon one?
Cartoon.
Yeah.
George of the
live
Jungle.
action was really weird. Very few.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. But the cartoon one was cool.
But I know about this even before our parents.
Noah, hey, Noah, that's great. Good job singing, Noah. Can you tell us what to do now?
I can't see. I'm so
well, yeah, you should know what to do after the step, Noah.
I feel like we should kill this.
No! Who killed the zombie? Who killed the zombie?
I don't see
Can
any
I kill
zombies.
this
There's a
half
megaton by the
Megaton,
staircase.
please?
I don't want to get into later rounds because then they're hard to kill, so don't kill the
Still
megatons.
screwing things up.
What do you mean? I haven't done nothing.
No, he's repeated himself.
That is the issue. Congratulations.
Yeah, you thought wrong, Noah. God.
Save us on this round, boys.
Shut the fuck up. I'm more useful than you. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Who's still in the game? Yeah.
No, keep it alive.
No.
It doesn't affect the megaton. Doesn't affect
It's not gonna. No. It just like half their health. They're not gonna die.
okay,
They're not gonna
it's okay.
die. Yeah, they're fine.
Yeah. He's right here. Why are you pushing it? Why are you standing right behind it?
So you just worry about
Why are you like walking it?
It's walking away from me.
Yeah?
Bro, he's gone. Okay.
You just worry about fixing the.
Fixing, but it sounded like you said fisting, and I was like, bro.
Yeah, fisting. Jay, just fist it.
Let's go.
Well, right here in the back. Right here in the back. Oh, I can't do it in the back. Never mind.
Can't go.
I can't. Why cannot I go drop down there? No.
You.
I'm over here. It's chasing me. I can't run. I'm just slowly jogging with a giant metal ball.
No. Oh, you have the ball. Oh.
Yeah, No, I got it. It's fine. I'm good. I'm fine. I got it.
I think the megatons are on me.
No, the megaton's on me.
Oh, if I kill a few, then I kill all of them.
I wonder if I can get
That's
a
the problem.
legendary gallo.
I'm too efficient at killing.
Too efficient.
Hey, coefficient.
Hey, Ken.
Shut up, Ken. Please.
Yeah.
Let me kill him. I'm gonna kill the other one.
Okay, I'm killing. Alright, I'll shoot this one with you.
I'm just gonna say head. Oh!
Oh,
nice!
Both halves are in there. Both halves are in
You
there.
got smacked.
Okay, we're fine. We'll still get it.
Okay. Oh, you have one? Okay, cool.
I'll give you two. I'll give you two.
Put that away. That is way too. Okay, that does not fit here. Why you?
Yeah, I'll get a sentry gun too.
Okay, that's a little. It's a little intimidating.
I want to double pap the ray gun and then let's take us time to prepare.
Okay.
I kind of.
I think
except for that.
I need someone to protect me now.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I forgot we need to protect Noah.
Not my job. Sorry.
Fuck, I don't give a fuck who does it. Just
I'll save him. I'll save him.
No, you're the only one that died.
Gun.
Do it.
Oh my
it.
god.
Do
Oh
it.
my god.
I believe in you. Oh, that's yeah. Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
I'm gonna leave you with that. Okay. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great.
I hate these fucking stupid bitches. Fucking
Be more specific, who?
zombies, Nazis. Oh.
Yeah.
Nazis.
I hate Nazis.
I would hope so.
God, I love Nazis, says Noah.
It's at the bottom.
It went back to the
It's at the bottom.
Guys,
Yeah.
He needs
I had no one
jug.
protecting me. I had no one.
Bro, why are you down there by yourself? Everybody's up
No,
top. We're trying
I'm
to fight
here.
megatons.
I'm here.
Oh.
I'm coming now.
The thing is, like, he started inviting me and I didn't see him. He just kind of left. I was like, okay.
I was in the room the whole time. I just kind of watched you die.
Dark. I'm throwing them off.
Wait, if we all go down there, does it start it, Noah?
No.
No, I know how to. I'll teach you how
Okay,
to
good.
do it.
No, I just didn't want to all go down here and it start while you're not.
Jay, out.
Let me tell you something. We don't start it in here at all. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Like,
Put your mic down your throat or something.
A little
Yeah,
fake.
you're so quiet, dog.
I'm sorry.
You're good, dog.
I'm kind of just done with this fucking Easter egg at this point.
You are a dog. You're a mad lad.
Thanks.
That's if we get done with it.
Not with that attitude.
Because you have your gun papped?
No, I said it's only.
Oh yeah, it's only 1,000.
It's only
Chili
1,000. I thought you said chili cheese.
Because before it was
Guys, if y'all could fucking protect me while I do this shit,
Bro,
that'd be great.
run.
You bro,
Like,
where are you?
It's really not our problem that you are failing so hard.
It kind of is, because I'm fucking...
No, it's not my fault.
I mean, technically speaking, it's your fault. It was like your game. Yeah. Like, your game's the reason you're not prepared.
Jug is, you have enough points, run and go get Jug.
It's not the jug, it's just I'm trying to...
What do you need then? Pap, gun, all the things.
His game just said Sakuma. And then...
Oh, bro, his game said more than that. His
Bro,
game
feel
said
bad for me, I'm gonna die.
Comb. But if you're not ready at this point, it's round 23 and...
Yeah. We literally can't wait any longer,
I joined late too, there's no excuse. We gotta go.
Hey guys, I need shield. I just bought
it's over here. Sakuma. It's over here.
I said Sakuma.
I will do it violently with teeth.
Let's go.
Lockjaw. Do y'all remember that song? Y'all remember that song, Lockjaw?
Lockjaw?
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pick up this chopper gunner just in case I get in like a corner and almost die.
Honestly, yeah, then you just go up to the top, kill nobody, and then come back down, and you'll be alive. But it's better than dying. No, 100% it's better than dying.
Here's a sentry gun.
No, come pick up the sentry gun, so you can put it down. Or
can you buy this?
I'll put it down right now. I just put it down right now. I'll put it down right now. I got it. I'll
Just
get
in
it.
case but what if
Pick it up. No. Pick it up. Alright, you have no pick up the chopper gunner?
I just dropped the chopper gunner.
Picked it up.
No, you pick up the chopper gunner. If you go down, just use it. Or if you don't, not if you go down. If you're about to go down, just use it.
It's not gonna do shit. The fuck?
No, what? You armed the chopper gunner. That means you go in the sky.
Really?
I think, right? I think so.
No.
Because it's armed. It says you arm it.
I thought it was just aerial.
Here we go, boys.
We're going. Come on. Should we stick together? I think we should stick together.
No.
No? Okay. We should. Okay. Got it. So just run around.
It's literally free for all.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Okay.
Bro, already?
Okay.
Literally Sakuma.
I'm not gonna res. I've got Jug. Alright,
Stupid. I hate my damn.
If I go down, I lose
everything.
No, get on, mate. You're good. I got bro. I got all the zombies, bro. There, bro. That's a lot of megatons. That's a lot of megatons.
If you go down,
I have a self revive. I'm chilling.
Okay.
You guys need to worry about yourselves, not me. I'm chilling.
I mean, I have Ether Shroud and Chopper Gunner, so.
Oh my god.
And who just went down? Jay. There's a Mayak too. I'm throwing a monkey. I'm throwing a monkey.
Oh yeah, you should have done that from the beginning.
Yeah, I was like, why did we already have that?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh, I can't get you, Noah. I can't get you.
I'm gonna do this. Hold on.
I can. No, I can't. Sorry, Noah.
Oh, I have stim. What am I doing? Why am I waiting to... Bruh.
Yeah, I'm using it. Get up, Noah. Noah.
Why do you leave?
No, you did not.
My.
I did not just waste my Ether
You can't be a titty baby like this, dog. I don't know what to tell him, dog. The games is just messed up. We physically can't do anything about it.
Jay, I'm running out of.
The game, yeah, he rage quit.
I'm running out of die.
Pick them up whenever you kill. What's it called? Megatons. They drop ammo. Run them by the dead Megatons. They're all over the floor like little ammo packets like this. Pick those up.
But it doesn't pick it up for that.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Have your other gun out. Have your other gun out.
Oh.
Lol.
It didn't work. Guys,
why
there's zombies all
what gun do you have?
All on the man.
It's a gamer moment right here. I didn't drink that bank.
It's because he died again. I don't know what to tell him. We physically can't do anything about it. His game is just messing up, but we can't.
It's fine. It's fine.
I know.
Shut up. Fine. It's fine.
I don't care. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I really don't care.
It's not in my control. I cannot do anything about it.
No, we can do this. We can do this.
F Megatron.
Yeah.
Wait, where'd he go?
I have no clue.
That boy.
Who's on my stream? Also, I've gotten 10 comments and I haven't seen or heard any of them because of how chaotic this is.
Yeah, there's so much going on.
Woo!
So you see how hectic this is, right?
So cool. Oh, this is amazing.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
I threw a thing on him. We're good.
Yeah. Oh, I got a Mayak on me.
Oh! Stimming. Nice. It's like Disney World in here. And by that I mean there's a lot of kids
there
dying.
are so many bot indicators
so
on my
Yeah, there's so
screen.
many Megatons on my
so
screen.
cool.
Okay.
I love this.
No, I love this, right? But it's just so hectic,
It's
bro.
really
Can I,
cool.
It's so
just say,
chaotic.
if mantling wasn't a thing, we might as well just
Oh, we'll be dead.
ourselves.
No, we'll be
This
dead.
is the second to last step. This is the second to last step right now.
Bro, do we?
Oh my god. Oh god, dog.
Do we even
Okay.
I'm just running, bruh.
I'm just sprinting, bro. It's like at
What
this
is
point,
it?
screw him. I'm trying to survive too.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah,
amazing.
we're supposed to. That's what we're supposed to do is
He's
protect
not
him.
he's not taking damage.
No, he's not. Well, because he's a beefy tank. Also, I need armor.
He doesn't die. No, that's the thing. He doesn't die. So if we really need to, we can just leave him for a second.
Wow.
That's what I'm doing.
I like points though.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Jesus.
There's another Maya. Maya Kasuwa. I need
Okay.
help. Shut up. I don't care. I'm dying.
Yeah, Noah.
I didn't say nothing.
I was like, you gonna come here and say anything?
Oh.
I'm just watching it from Easton's point of view right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. The level 3 papped ray gun is really good too. Oh god.
Is it level
Excuse
3?
Yeah, I papped it 3 times.
Nice.
Why do you think I have no money?
Oh, I'm not looking at your money. Oh, I
Shut
need
up.
shield. I'm buying shield.
You should do that.
No. No.
Oh.
Oh
That's
my
a lot of
god,
points.
dude.
I didn't buy it. I didn't get it. I'm dead, guys.
I'm coming.
No, my jug is gone.
On my
That's
way.
it. That's
Oh,
it.
God.
That's the game.
Yeah, once you die and your jug is gone, you're kind of screwed.
I tried to buy shield. Oh,
Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I gotta head out for a second. I'm about to leave.
Oh, bro, all my perks are gone. If
My
I
dude's
can
making
keep-
like a tree.
If I can, if I can keep my quick revive, I think I can be helpful. But I'm about to lose my quick revive too.
Nope.
Let me see. Get him. I got you. Go.
Gam didn't die for nothing.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I kept my.
Okay, I think this is the last one. I think this might be the last one.
Oh,
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
You're
How'd I
literally not gonna
die? Why did he kill me? I was invisible.
I got you. I'm sure.
I was invisible.
I'm gonna die. Hold on.
Got you.
No, we're good.
Y'all are.
Literally Sugma, bro. Literally Sugma.
I gotta try the horse there for a second,
Please.
So.
Oh my god, dude. I don't know. I can't do anything. They're all over here on me.
I'm risking it for Jay. Oh no, I'm not. Easton got him. No, Easton didn't get him.
Easton doesn't got
I
him.
just
Easton
totally lagged through.
sucked
Hold on.
him
Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Stun out.
Oh, thank you.
Get
Thank
up.
you.
Go.
Go! Just leave. Yeah, get up and go.
Did I decoy at the perfect time? Oh, nice.
I think you might have.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna die again. I'm not even doing anything. I legitimately, I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh.
No, you're good. You're okay. You're okay.
You okay, baby boy?
You good.
You got it.
For now,
You
yeah.
got it. You got it.
You good.
Oh, don't. No. I'm
No,
calling
we're
in chopper
okay.
gunner.
We're okay.
I'm literally.
Oh,
almost
we
dead.
did it. We did it. I think we
No
did
way. I
it.
just
Oh my
called
god.
in the chopper
I think we did it.
gunner.
I think we did it. Oh, we leave. I think we just leave now. I think are the doors open?
No.
Do we go?
Bro, I have no perk.
No,
Yeah,
there's
no
no zombies here. Okay, we can take a breath. We can calm down.
Get armor if you need it. Man.
Guys, I think we need to leave. There's.
No, we're about to have to leave. No.
The
We're
doors-
about to have to dip. No. As soon as the doors open, we
let's all
leave.
get together. Go. Yeah, we
Ah,
gotta go.
leave. Go.
Bro, I need to get to. Oh my. Oh, guys. Oh. No.
I vaulted. No way.
Oh my god.
Just one person has to make it, remember.
Jay.
What?
Jay.
I got. Oh my god, dude.
Oh
Can I say something
my
real
god.
quick? Can I say something
What?
real quick?
What?
It spawned me in the last one when Jay got on. It spawned me.
Oh really? So you got it. Oh my god, dude, that was so hectic.
No, it spawned me on the plane.
So you got, so technically you got it. Oh my god, dude, that's so chaotic. That was so chaotic, and we did it.
World that made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. We don't gotta let him